Clear. Okay, so you are out to the middle of the
Alright, here we go. The most difficult part.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come on.
Oh, this is tough. They're pointed downward slightly.
I can't even see the track. Barely.
I knew this ride was going to be difficult for this exact reason.
I think they see footers back there already.
Yeah, they poured more.
Like an actual footer. I need to go take pictures of that.
Oh no, there's definitely footers there.
I couldn't quite get the right image. Maybe go on the Ferris wheel later.
Yeah.
Picture of the footers.
Well, I'll definitely do the Ferris wheel with you. Woohoo! And here comes the pretzel. Oh, my head's starting to hurt. Ow.
Alright.
Well, yeah, I'm fine. It's just like it's stuck in this one position.
Gotcha. Now this is the worst part.
Oh, this is the worst part, 100%.
So like I try to like, yeah, just try to like get something better. You can't lift me up my legs. A couple weeks ago, I got stuck in this exact position right here.
Oh, yeah, being stuck here is one of the worst things that can happen to you.
Yep. I wouldn't do this if this had a short walk. I'm not waiting an hour for this.
I know people that waited over 3 hours for it.
No, thank you.
Yeah, absolutely not.
Maybe 3 hours, yeah, I'll wait an hour for it.
Walk my right on the rock now. Yeah, 247. Walk my right on the rock. Let's drink the down on the rock. Push up.
Oh, oh my God.
We ride.
I just like
Oh, yeah.